What is the process of welding in zigzag pipe? Step-by-step procedure for zigzag pipe welding, preparation and fit-up. Edge preparation, bevel the pipe ends to a 30 to 37.5 degree angle to create a 60 to 75 degree V-groove when joined. Cleaning, use a wire brush or grinder to clean at least 20 mm from the edge to remove rust, scale, or oil. Alignment, use bridge pieces or a pipe clamp to ensure the zigzag segments are aligned according to the drawing. Maintain a root gap of about 2 mm to 3 mm. Tacking. Place 4 small tacks at 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions. Crucial point, inspect the tacks for cracks. If a tack cracks due to the stress of the angled joint, grind it out completely and retack. Root pass, the most critical. Usually performed using TIG, GTAW, for high-pressure pipes or SMAW, 6010 electrode for standard pipes. Technique, ensure keyhole formation to guarantee full penetration at the root. In a zigzag joint, you must constantly adjust your hand angle as the pipe direction changes. Filling and capping. Slag removal. After the root pass, use a chipping hammer and wire brush to remove all slag. Any left behind will cause slag inclusion. Hot pass, a second run to fuse the root and the sidewalls. Filling, subsequent runs, usually 7018 low hydrogen electrodes, until the groove is nearly full. Capping, the final layer. It should be slightly convex and overlap the pipe surface by about 1.5 mm to 2 mm for strength. Dealing with the zigzag angles. In the inner corner of a zigzag, the acute angle, heat builds up rapidly. You must increase travel speed to prevent burn-through. In the outer corner, the obtuse angle, it is harder to get the electrode in deep. You must ensure your electrode angle bisects the joint angle to ensure equal fusion on both pipes. Post-welding inspection and testing. A marine engineer's job isn't done until the weld is proven. Visual inspection. Check for undercuts, overlap, or surface cracks. Dye penetrant test, DPT apply cleaner, penetrant, and developer to check for surface porosity or cracks. Hydrostatic test. The pipe must be pressure tested to 1.5 times its working pressure. Direct answer to surveyor. Sir, the process for welding a zigzag pipe joint involves preparation, grinding a 35-degree bevel and ensuring a 2 to 3 mm root gap. Tacking, placing 4 bridge tacks to maintain alignment during the angled fit-up. Root pass, using the keyhole technique to ensure 100% penetration, typically using TIG for cleaner results. Interpass cleaning, removing all slag before the filling and capping passes to avoid internal defects. Heat management, being careful at the acute angles of the zigzag to avoid burn-through due to heat concentration. Testing, performing a dye penetrant test followed by a hydrostatic pressure test at 1.5 times the working pressure.